Hey, it's a brand new day on Gillum Farms, and I am Johnny. And what this little video is about is I actually was videoing something else, and I went to get something to eat, and I ended up finding several YouTubers, people that I knew or kind of lived in our area and things like that. The first one I found was Ed from Ed's Crazy Adventures, and then Ed told me, he said right around the corner is Sean and Kelly, which Sean is Let's Trade Paint, and Kelly from Rebel at Heart were right around the corner working on a cabin for JB, who is pure Okie. So I couldn't miss the opportunity to run around there and talk with those folks and stuff like that. I think I ended up, I gave Ed a t-shirt because he'd been wanting a t-shirt, so I gave him one of our t-shirts. And then, of course, I saw Sean and Kelly, and I saw JB and everything, and it was a great time. So this little video is basically from that day, some content from that day. JB ended up actually giving us several books and a knife and some things, and we gave away most all of that in giveaways on our lives. So, and it was a really great time. So I really enjoyed the time down there with them. So anyway, just enjoy the video of Sean working on the cabin down there. So anyway, here you go. You're not going to believe who I found whenever I went to get a bite to eat. Looky here.
Rebel at Heart, Kelly.
And looky here.
How are you?
So we got Kelly and Sean. Here's Let's Trade Paint. He's up here on the roof messing around. Put a little tin down here at what's this called down here? Whitetail Run?
Whitetail Run RV Park.
Whitetail Run RV Park. Hey, how you doing? Gee, Sam, met him at
half a pure Okie. Let's put
half a pure Okie. There we go. There we go. So anyway, Sean's up here. He's tinning a roof, and I just thought I would grab hold of this for posterity's sake, for whenever our channel just takes off and goes to the moon and back. And
it didn't happen if it's not on video.
there you go. If either pictures or video, got to have it. So anyway, but he's up here, and I've been talking to him a little bit, and I just saw Ed a few minutes ago, Ed's Crazy Adventures. So it's just almost like another YouTube meetup down here at the lake. All right, I'm back down here at the lake, and here is Sean from Let's Trade Paint, and he's got a lot of this cabin done up right now. He's got a few more things he's going to do, but yeah, it's looking great. So Sean,
Yeah.
what do you? How long are you going to be here?
I don't know.
You don't know?
So far, it's going from 5 days to whatever it takes to get it done.
Yep. All right. Well, it's really great you helping JB out like this.
Hey, I appreciate her. She helps me a lot too, and she helps a lot of different channels. She's one of the ones that I'll never be able to repay. You know what I mean?
Yes, JB is a sweet lady.
Means a lot.
Yes.
Means a lot to me.
And she is actually over here in this car with, she's there with Rebel Heart and Sam. So they're kind of chatting over there, but I just thought I would come down here, bring your book, and take a look at what you got completed on this one. And yep, getting closer. So anyway, so folks, if you hadn't checked out Sean's channel, this is Let's Trade Paint. Go ahead and check his channel out. It's got some really great stuff on there. I'm sure that there's going to be some things about this cabin and everything on there as well coming up. And he's helped Mama V, and he went down with Drew and Lindsay and all them and just worked on their place. So, you know, he's just kind of all over the place. So folks, just check him out and give him some love.
We appreciate you.